When a bird flies, we all find it fascinating, often wishing we could fly too. But let me tell you the ground reality. Birds can't ride motorcycles like we do. But we get to experience like bird when we are out riding our favorite motorcycle.
Let's get started.
Hello there guys, welcome to the detailed specification video. This is all new Himalayan 450 from Royal Enfield, which comes under category of adventure tourer segment. So this is how majestic it looks. It looks awesome. Coming to the detailed specifications, this is the engine that you can see. It's a 450cc single cylinder liquid cooled. It produces around 40 bhp of power at 8000 rpm and 40 newton meters of torque at 5500 rpm. So this is the suspension you can see. It's from Showa. This is a long travel 43 USD suspension. Comes with both dual channel ABS and dual discs. Here you can see 320 disc on the front along with bi-brake calipers, and on the rear you will see 280 of disc, again from bi-brake caliper. Coming to the wheels, on the front you will see 90 by 90 21-inch wheels. This is the spoke wheels, and it's tube tires. And even here on the rear you will see 140 by 80 or 17-inch, and you will see how wide the tire looks, and this is the look from behind. On the rear you will see this is how the stop lamp looks like. Both are having the stop lamps, and that is integrated with the side turn indicators. Up front you can see this is all LED setup along with the side indicators, and this is the taller windscreen. The original windscreen which had come from the Royal Enfield, it will be of this height. So this is an accessory, official accessory from Royal Enfield. This is a taller windscreen which gives enough protection when you go on highways. Coming to the seat height, it's 825 of seat height, which is pretty good for someone like me. I am around 5'10". I can flat foot if I sit on that bike, and I can ride comfortably. I can handle it comfortably. So if you are someone around 5'9", 5'8", you can handle it very easily. If you are someone around 5'5" and above, you may have to tiptoe a little, but it should be comfortable. But if you are below 5'5", I would suggest go for some alternate bikes which is having lesser seat height. Handlebar looks wide and it's pretty decent. I think it's perfect for all the Indian road conditions. Here you can see the charging socket, and along with this is accessory again, the handlebar risers. This is how the handlebar looks. And if you can see, this is the dash. On the front you can see this is the fuel tank. This is very huge, looking very huge. So this can carry around 17 liters of fuel. Okay, let's get started with the ride review today. I'm driving Himalayan 450. The look is very nice on this motorcycle. You know, heads turn when you pass through the city. The handlebar is wide. It has got an accessory taller windscreen. Dash is pretty nice, and it has got Google Maps integrated dash actually. So it has got 6 gears. Clutch is nice. Gear is really butter smooth. This has got a handlebar riser. You can see here, this is the handlebar riser part, and the suspension is really nice. It's got a Showa 43 suspension up front and dual channel ABS. This is actually pretty nice. So we just had hit highway. We are on 5th. This is 6th. The riding comfort is very nice. It has got upright angle posture. The handlebar positioning is good. For some riders it will be good if you had a little lower positioning. This has got a handlebar riser, so even this feels good. So people hold it in different parts, so I hold it here. I feel this is comfortable for me, but some riders may hold it here, which is very near to the switch gear. Okay, this is the hazard. On the rear we have a monoshock suspension. Even that is actually good. I sat back. It was when it was a pillion. It was very nice. So my recommendation is take it for a long drive. Maybe take it from your friend or rent it somewhere, or you can request the showroom to give more than 15-20 kilometers, and if you pay up for fuel, maybe pay if it is possible, and then you will get to know more about the bike. So this is one area where you can find the maneuverability easily. So especially when you take U-turns, you will get to know the maneuverability of bike within the city limits. Okay, so coming to the ride review, I have a few positives and negatives. First, I'll start with the positives. So the sitting comfort is very good. The riding triangle from the handlebar to seating position and the foot pegs, it is very comfortable. So that's the first positive. And the second one is the suspension. So this is from Showa. The suspension is really butter smooth. I really liked it. So the minor potholes, it doesn't even care. I felt nothing if it's a minor pothole, but if it's a bigger pothole, you may see some. But this is a pretty good suspension from Showa and Royal Enfield. And coming to the third positive is its looks. It looks sharp, heavy, bulky, and it will definitely turn all the heads when you are going out. And the fourth positive point is its brakes. Brakes are pretty good. These are from Bypre. On the front you will see a 320 pedal disc, and it is also having a dual channel ABS. which is switchable. So that means on the rear you can turn it off, but you cannot turn it on the front. Turn it off on the front. Okay, coming to the negatives. The first one is its mileage. It gives around 22 in the city, 22 to 25 in the city, and 25 to 28 on the highways. Maybe if it is a 50-50 mix, you may get around 25 as an overall mileage. That is not okay. Okay. And coming to the second negative point is its weight. It weighs around 196 kilograms, which is actually more weight to maneuver within the city. And coming to the third, it does have some heating issues. I feel so much heat when I'm driving near my legs. So that's pretty much about uh, the ride review of all new Himalaya 450. Hope you enjoyed it. Please like, share, and subscribe.